YouTube? It's your boy Cloudy, and we back with another fucking banger, you feel me? We over here, we out here at some apartments and shit. Where I stay at now. Well, I've been staying at apartments, but I moved into some new apartments recently, like about like fucking like the beginning of the year type shit. Anyways, we here, we finna install some coilovers, you feel me? We finna get down, we finna get real, you know, real deep, all in details, juicy, real juicy, you feel me, young bloods? And you know, I'm just gonna show you how it gets down over here, you feel me? So let me show you the coilovers real quick. Check it out. Those are clean, so for something like this, it's gonna run you like just about like 400, which isn't too bad. Because I was on the marketplace, you know, I was looking for some. My budget wasn't really like too bad. I was looking to spend about like 400 to 800 on some nice, decent coilovers, right? These ones kind of a little heavy, but I'm not gonna care. These are the fronts right here. So basically, little adjustable boy right there. You just adjust it, see your height you want, this whole and shit like that. That's that one right there. Just the back one right here. So the quality on these hoes is really good, I'm not gonna lie. It's a thick bitch right here. So I'm finna tweak this all around, adjust it. Alright y'all, this is part 2 of the video. So after installing it, it'll look something like this. So basically, you just take off those 2 screws, and then you can take off this bad boy right here. This main one. This one's kind of a pain in the ass, so if you don't have like a proper like impact gun, even if you do have one, I do recommend buying some like PC blaster and just blasting that bitch with the thing, so it melts down like all the corrosion and shit, and it makes it a lot easier. But also they don't provide a hex nut, so I had to go to like the department store and just buy one with a washer. But you want to get a lock nut. This is just a regular one for right now, but I'm on the way to go get a lock nut one, so I'm gonna just swap that out real quick. But I just wanted to show y'all this is how it looks on the vehicle. This is my aftermarket springs, and then this is gonna be the new one, the new coilovers. So to adjust it, you just twist this down or up, but I'm gonna leave it like this. This is a little bit less than stock, but good enough to get an inspection. Alright y'all, so we finally got the coilovers removed. Bitch was a hassle, I had to cut this shit. And then now we're finna install these bad boys right here. But this has been a long ass process. Only recommend if you got time to spend. So basically what I did to install these hoes is I put it in there. First, it's adjustable. Most coilovers are adjustable. Well, if you buy an adjustable one, all you're gonna have to do is twist this part right here. Keep twisting it until it reaches the correct height. And you might want to buy some new washers, because the one that it comes with, see, these are brand new. Those bad boys right there, about at like, you can find these hoes at like a hardware store, any local hardware store that sells lugs and shit like that. But these are the old ones that came off originally. So you see how they're like all like old and ashy and like stripped out and shit, and it has like, you see, like it has the fucking, what is that shit called? It's just fucked up, right? So anyways, I recommend buying new ones, put it right there, and then basically all you do after that, you just put that bolt in, install those, put the little wires back up, put this one back, and then just put the wheel back on and you're all good to go. Alright y'all, so I haven't showed y'all what it looks like during the daytime, but this is how it's sitting right now. So you got the backs just about maybe like half a fingertip in, and then the front is sitting low. That's definitely like. Yeah, probably like one finger in the back and in the front is no finger. That bitch is low.